I accepted a long time ago I wasn't the smartest, the best looking, the fast enough, with the best background, the most connections. I didn't have any of those things. What I could control was my work ethic. You've heard me speak many times about outworking everybody, but I think that just feels good when we hear it, but most people don't take it seriously. If you think that I have a little bit of success in my life, I can tell you what I attribute it to. Yes, self-confidence, yes, mindset, visualization, goals, all the things I talk about all the time. Listening skills, influence, energy transfer, how to be happier, all of that stuff applies. When you get to winning, for me, it's come down to maxing out. And what maxing out means is you do one more at least than you think you're capable of.
The people who make it, the people who are living their dreams, the people that are bringing about change, these people have a sense of who they are. And they make a decision, I can handle this. They make a decision that my circumstances are not going to determine me. Now, the people that don't make it out, these people align themselves with the negative part of themselves. They identify and romance with failure and disappointment. They entertain it. They don't believe. They have faith, bad faith, that they won't make it. These people identify with their weaknesses and their shortcomings. So they give up. Where we have unending hope that we begin to align ourselves with the highest that's within us. That we begin to know each day out of which we create our lives, we create our circumstances.
What you confess is what you possess. So maybe today you start by saying, I will not quit. I will not quit. I will not quit on you. Don't you quit on you today.
The winners, they stay excited as long as it takes to get the job done. They keep after it until the job gets done. They never stop. They're always after it. And that's where their strength comes from. That's where their confidence comes from, is knowing their capacity to keep coming at you, and that all your competition's going to get weak. They're going to get tired. They're going to surrender. They're going to give in. They're going to think they made it. They're going to take a break. They're going to cool it.
Figure out what the likely contingencies are and have some plans to execute if those contingencies occur. Maintain discipline when it seems that the whole world is against you. And the same rules apply. Control what you can control. You train hard, learn, maintain the unmitigated daily discipline in all things.